Welcome! In this video I will show you how you can start mining CLORE Blockchain. CLORE is a new coin and it uses KPO algorithm. More information about CLORE you can find on their website, or you can go to the Bitcoin Talk forum and read more about this coin. This is a very new coin and it has not much information about this project. You can connect with them on Discord and Twitter and you can search more information there. First, we need to find a wallet address for CLORE Blockchain. So we need to install their wallet and we will get wallet address from their official wallet. On their website, scroll down and you will find wallet downloads for Windows and for Linux. I am on Windows, so I will download this Windows file. When download is finished, open your downloads folder and extract the wallet. Now run this file and use your default data directory. Then click on OK. This will start the wallet, and first you need to create your seed phrase and your recovery passphrase. So first enter your passphrase. And click on generate. Now this is your seed phrase. Copy this seed phrase and paste on the safe location. After you've copied your seed phrase, click on this import button. Do not lose your seed phrase and your recovery passphrase because you will not be able to recover your wallet. Write this on the safe place and keep it on the safe place. When you are done, click on this button import. Now you need to enter password to encrypt your wallet. So create a new strong password and click on the confirm button. You will get notification that your wallet passphrase was successfully set. Click on OK and wallet will be start syncing with the blockchain. This process can take some time, so be patient and leave the wallet to sync with network. After wallet is fully synced, we can see our wallet, and from the left side on this receive button we can get our wallet address. Click on this receive button and click on this request payment. This will open your wallet address for CLORE. Copy this address and paste in the text file for later use in the mining software. After you've copied your wallet address, you can close the wallet. Now we need to find where we can start mining this coin. Go to the mining pool stats.stream and click on this new coins. In the section new coins you can find CLORE. Click on this and it will open a pools for CLORE. For this video I will use official pool clore.ai. Click on this pool and it will open poolmining.clore.ai. On this button get started we can find how we can get started mining this coin. Click on this button and it will open a miner string generator. For NVIDIA you can use T-Rex miner, and for AMD you can use Team Red miner. So on this computer I have one NVIDIA card, so I will use T-Rex miner. Type of rig, I have just one card, so I will leave like this, 1 to 2 GPUs. Operating system I am on Windows. Select coin CLORE Blockchain And now in the wallet section you need to enter your wallet address. Copy your wallet address and paste in this field. In the rig name, enter your rig name and click on this button Generate. This will generate a line for your batch file. T-Rex Miner you can download from Google, just type T-Rex Miner in the search, and the first link is from the GitHub. Open this link and it will open the download for latest version of T-Rex Miner. If you don't have Miner, you can download from this link. When download is finished, open your downloads folder and extract the miner. Open the miner folder and create a new batch file. Right click, new, text document, rename this document and replace the txt extension with bat. This will create your batch file. On the warning, click yes, and now right click on this file you just created and edit. In this file, paste the option from the pool. Copy this line and paste in your batch file. And click File and Save. Now we have prepared batch file for mining CLORE on Windows. We can close this, open the miner folder and start this batch file. Mining process is already started, so now we will wait a couple of minutes miner to start finding shares on the pool, and then we can check our results on the pool. After a couple minutes of mining, now we can check our progress on the pool. Copy your wallet address, go in this field where it says worker stats, and in this field where it says wallet address, paste your wallet address and click on this button Lookup. This will open your wallet address, click on this and it will open statistic for your mining rig. You can see my current hash rate, my average hash rate, how many total shares I have submitted, how many coins I've earned till now, and this is my worker. This was a mining on Windows. Now I will show you how you can create wallet and flight sheet on HiveOS. Open your HiveOS dashboard and in the section Wallets, go to this button Add Wallet. Enter your coin name, click on this Create CLORE, enter the wallet address, and enter the wallet name. And click on this button Create. Now we have wallet address for mining CLORE. Now we have wallet address for mining CLORE. Now we need to create our flight sheet. Click on this button Flight Sheets, and in the coin select CLORE, select your wallet name. In the pool section, click on this Configure in Miner. select your miner, and after you've selected your miner, click on this yellow button, Setup Miner Configuration. In the hash algorithm, you need to select Kapal, Wallet. In Wallet template, click on the first, and if you have worker name, click on this worker name, and in the worker name, type your worker name. In the pool section, paste your information from clore.ai mining pool. This is the information you need to paste in HiveOS. Copy this and paste in the pool section. In the password field, just type X, select the latest version of your miner and click on Apply Changes. Now give name on this flight sheet and click on this button, Create Flight Sheet. This will create a flight sheet for mining CLORE. In your mining rig, just click on the rocket icon and this flight sheet will be applied to your mining rig. Now I will show you how you can create a group config for mining on SimpleMining. On the left side, click on this button, Group Config, and on the right side, click on this blue button, Add New Group Config. Enter your desired name for your group, check this Run as root, select your miner, select miner version, and in the miner option field, paste the information from CLORE pool. Now in the wallet section, enter your wallet address, delete this worker information, and after the wallet address type dot and enter your worker name. On the SimpleMining, best way is to type $sign and rig name. This command will use the name of your mining rig. After you've done with this, click on the save button. And now you will have a CLORE mining group config for mining on SimpleMining. This was another tutorial for mining CLORE. This is a new coin, so again I will say be careful with mining these new coins. If you like this kind of videos, please support my channel, like and subscribe. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video. Bye bye.